In this video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to create a Facebook business page right on your smartphone. All right, let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you have struggled with your social media marketing, you're frustrated because you're putting out all this effort, doesn't feel like you're getting enough back, you're in a great place. Every week, we release a quick video to help you with a different piece of your social media marketing strategy. If that sounds like something you could use, hit subscribe, click that bell, and that way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter, and in this video, I will show you how easy and quick it is to create a Facebook business page from your smartphone. If you're doing it from a computer, it looks different, and there's a link to a tutorial for that in the description of this video. Now, before you start, you're going to want to make sure you have your logo or whatever your profile picture is going to be, as well as your cover photo saved to your phone. If you don't have it, you can just choose something else from your phone to put up for now, and then go back and fix it later. So I'm in the Facebook app on an iPhone, but this should look about the same on Android. So I'm here on the main screen, and then I'm going to tap on the three-line menu. That's called a hamburger menu on the lower right there. Brings up all of these new options. The first one at the top is my profile. Right underneath that is where we create pages. So I have a lot of pages I already manage. If you don't manage any pages yet, which is why you're creating one now, you may have something different there like create a page. But either way, go ahead and tap that. And then I'm going to tap create there at the top. It says to connect with your audience on Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and click get started at the bottom. First is to name the page. So go ahead and put the name of your business or your organization, your group, whatever it is, in there. Then hit next. Then it's going to ask you to choose a category for your page. Quite a few options here, and you want to go with the one that makes the most sense. There is an other if nothing makes sense for your page. Then underneath you can choose a subcategory. Again, go through and pick the one that makes the most sense for you. Hit next. Here's where you would want to add your website. You can skip this step if you don't have a website yet, or maybe you never will. Then go ahead and hit next. It's going to ask me to upload a profile picture. So down here at the bottom, I'm going to click add a profile picture. Now keep in mind, it's a square that it's asking you to upload, but it's going to show up as a circle in most situations. So once your image is uploaded, you can go through and use your fingers to pinch and zoom to resize it the way that you want. Then hit done. So now I've got my logo there. Now I can hit next again. And it'll ask me to add a cover photo. This is the photo that goes at the top of your business page. So I've got one already saved here on my phone. Put that in. If at any point you want to skip this step, skip is available in the upper right corner. Or if you put one in and you don't like it, you can tap change photo here at the bottom. And then when you're done, you hit visit page. And that's it. I've got a page. Now you can manage your new Facebook business page from the regular Facebook app, but there's also another app called the Facebook Pages Manager app. I've got links to it in the description of this video, but you might want to download that as it gives you more resources for managing a business page. And yes, we set it up on a smartphone, but you are going to want to go to your page on a computer at some point. Make sure to optimize it. Want a little help? I have something I call the free 5-minute Facebook facelift, which helps optimize your business page for profit. Grab it at thefacebookfacelift.com. You can also get the link in the description of this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, consider giving this video a like, leave a comment, or hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home.